This is the part 3. We gotta go back.
No, we don't gotta go back. Literally just stay right here and then look.
Guys,
Let's
this is
just
the
stay.
main. No, we gotta go back.
And then let's leave that. It's okay. It's okay.
Guys, let's just go.
No. I wanna
Jackson,
go.
really?
No, I wanna go.
You're risking your life? Really, man?
Yeah, no, guys, I wanna go.
Jackson, let's just go. Come on. No.
Okay, guys, we gotta head back.
Guys, this is getting creepy.
We can see with the dog. And then the dog sounds like a pit bull. I'm not gonna die.
Yeah, there's probably both.
I wanna go.
No, you guys know this is a
Let's show you the tire tracks.
like tire tracks. But guys, wait, why is that there? Wait, stop. Point it at the water. That wasn't there when we just first got
Yeah,
here.
what?
Alright, this is just alright. This is freaky. I hope we make it back alive. That is cold anyway. Sorry if you could just see the flashlight, not myself. But this is creepy. Alright guys, I think we're gonna make it.
Flashlight.
Wait.
Look in the ground.
We're safe. We're safe. Oh jeez. Yo, the flashlight just broke. Alright guys.
Okay.
It works. Jeez, that's so creepy.
I know.
Yo, that was scary. No, you turned it off.
No, I didn't. Oh my goodness.
If you're doing it, stop.
I'm
Bro.
not.
Jackson.
This is really scary.
Yo, and tonight's a full moon.
Oh my goodness, I forgot about that.
Jeez Louise.
It's off.
Imagine if we see like Slenderman or something. Jeez. We're heading back, guys. Guys. Creepy.
Work.
The thing just, oh jeez.
Hey, he's going on and on.
Why?
Why does it keep
Why do you hear
going
this
up?
noise? This is creepy. Alright, we made it back to our village. Our town. Why am I keep on saying stuff that's
circle.
wrong? Our circle. Made it out alive.
Why
Jeez.
does it keep going on and on?
Alright, this is freaky. But I'm gonna maybe end the video right now. So, guys, if you like this video, subscribe and leave a like.
I
Please.
gotta tell you something.
1 like equals 1. 1 like equals 1 help for me that I almost died. So thank you.
Guys, wait.
Bye. Please subscribe too.